Hi, this is Chris 24K on Instagram, 24K_lifestyle on TikTok, and SEO marketing on YouTube. Today we're taking a look at Sharge IceMag 2 power bank. This is a wireless charging power bank with 30-watt maximum in and out via this USB-C port right here. Has an on and off button right there and a really cool kickstand. And what's great about Sharge technology and their cases is it usually comes clear in some part. This also, as you can see here, has RGB lighting. As soon as we plug the phone onto the wireless charging Qi2 pad right here, that will light up in the back. So we have this iPhone 12 mini. It attaches right there. And now we can see that it's charging. And on the back, you can see the lighting. It's very cool. Very cool. I like that. So you can use it with the stand. The stand is metal, or you can fold the stand away. Again, this is 30-watt max in and out there, so you can plug in something that you need USB-C, and it will show you the power level on this side as well as the lighting on here, and this changes to different colors as you can see here. So this has a 10,000 rating with 6,000 capable right here. Rated capacity is 6,000 milliamps. USB-C, as we showed, 30 watts in and out, and this is the new IceMag 2 from Sharge. I really enjoyed their IceMag original, but the number 2 and the fact that it has a cool metal kickstand and the see-through tech right here, it's very, very interesting. I like it a lot. I carry their batteries around very often. You can get this now from Sharge. This is Chris 24K. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and, of course, thumbs up.